It's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Thank you for clicking on this video today. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. In today's video, I do have an unboxing for you guys. And this is from Niella E. She is a YouTuber. She does DIYs and vlogs and cooking videos, lots of cooking videos, product reviews, beauty reviews, hair reviews. She does a lot of things on her channel. I'm going to leave her video link below for you guys, so please go check her out. Niella E has her own business, and in her brand it's called Niellsc Creations, and I order a couple of things from her, which I am going to unbox for you guys right now. One of the things I'm trying my best to do is to support as much as I can Black business owners, because it's such a wonderful thing to do to help businesses to grow and to really get the support in the Black community. And I think this is one thing I'm really trying hard to do. And Niella, I am going to be ordering a couple more of these from you, because I know my mom is going to love these for sure. So hang tight. I will definitely be coming to you again with orders. I will DM you, don't worry. Don't worry. Packaging is quite cute. I was so excited when I saw the packaging. I'm not going to show you the front. It has addresses and all of that. So I do have my scissors right here. So we are going to unbox right now, and you guys are going to see what I've ordered. And it came pretty quickly too. Thank you so much, Niella, for taking my messages. I know we were on WhatsApp and we were chit-chatting back and forth, and I'm excited already. I am excited already, because when I was placing the order, she had asked me which colors I want, and I said, you know what, doesn't matter. So this is it right here, and I'm pulling out. Oh my god. Ah! And she's got Niellsc Creation. Oh my god. Beautiful card. Congratulations. Oh goody. Let me just open up the package and show you guys what I got. Oh, the colors are beautiful. These are two bonnets that I got from her. And I think she makes these herself. Nice and silky on the inside. Beautiful on the outside. Oh my god. Here it is, guys. So cute. Oh my goodness. I love it. What? Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the pattern. Oh my god. Oh, it smells so nice. What did you spray in it? What did you spray in it? Ah! Smells lovely. First of all, she's got a beautiful card. Let me show you Niellsc card. There it is right there. Take this down, people. If you are watching, take this down. And I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys. And I've ordered 2 of them. And Jesus. Wait a minute. Wait a freaking second here. This is the second one that I've ordered. And and you do have the bungee cord, so you can pull this as tight as you want. Oh, what is this? This is really cute. I love it so much. And this one has a beautiful bronzy pattern on the outside, and I love the silk, beautiful, gorgeous color on the inside. So pretty. Oh my god. Both of them are so nice. And I don't even know which one to pick. I am so excited. I can't wait to put these on my head. They are so cute. Thank you so much, Niella, for taking my orders and for sending this to me so quickly. They are beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I am going to be sending you a DM real soon, because I know my mom is going to like these. She is going to love them. They are absolutely gorgeous, beautiful colors, and I'm so happy that I told you to just pick any 2 and send it to me. They are really cute. I absolutely adore them, and I love them. They are really beautiful. Just look at that. I don't know which one is my favorite though. I really don't know. I feel like I'm gravitating to this print, but this is just, this is cute. This is really pretty. But this one here, Oh my God, they are so absolutely awesome. Thank you so much. I do love these so much, guys. I am going to leave Nelly's information in the description box for you guys. If you want to go in and place an order and get a couple of these, go right ahead. She's really, really good when it comes to shipping. Shipping is really quick, and payments are done through PayPal, you know, but I'm going to leave her information below if you want to just go and contact her. She's going to get back to you ASAP, and she's going to send these out to you. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Niella. I do appreciate this, and they are amazing. Thank you. They are gorgeous. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoy. I am going to have fun wearing my bonnets. I am going to have so much fun wearing these. I didn't think I was going to like them so much, but I do love them. They are absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Thank you. You did an amazing job, and congratulations on your business. I do appreciate it. And of course, like I said, I will be sending you a DM shortly because I will be needing a couple more of these for my mom. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles!